Hello, welcome once again. It's your favorite show, Real Inspiration, and we're on my journey out of depression. So another tip today is actually unlearning stuff. Most of the times when we get into a relationship, we have this idea at the back of our minds that we're incomplete, so we need to be in a relationship to be complete. Well, today we have to unlearn that. If you're one of those persons who believe in that, then you need to unlearn it today. It was really kind of hard for me to learn that as well, though, because that's what I learned from quite when I was younger. You're kind of incomplete. When you get a man in your life, then you become complete. Well, truth is, we're complete. God made us perfectly complete. We're lacking nothing. So all that happens when you get into a relationship, it's complementing. The person who gets into a relationship with you gets to complement you, not complete you. And that's the reason why, just like we said in one other video, you need to know your purpose and your vision in life so that you'll be able to know the right person to be able to complement you. So if you have that idea, that thought like I had when I was younger, that you need someone to complete you, you're going to keep finding that person because you want to be complete. But if you know that people are just to complement you, then you know you can live your life as a single and individual purposefully without being afraid or being worked up or fighting to be in a relationship. So if I know I'm incomplete and someone has to complete me, I'll keep fighting to want to get someone to be in my life, right? Who doesn't want to be complete anyway? So I had to unlearn that being in a relationship doesn't make that person complete me. It's just complementing. If this has been very useful to you, get to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. I always say I love you so very much, but God loves you way more.